basis for what types of information we can get. So the first sentence there, we talked about, percentages. So what that is if we have 7% chlorine by mass, then there are two ways we can arrange it. We could say 7 grams of chlorine per 100 grams of, what was it? Chlorine solution. Now what's the difference between chlorine and chlorine solution? Chlorine solution is a mixture? Yeah. Versus chlorine would be pure substance. Good. And so there's 7 grams of pure chlorine in 100 grams of this mixture. When we write it like this, typically we're converting. We're converting from grams of chlorinating solution to grams of pure chlorine. So let's say we're given 100 grams of chlorine solution, chlorinating solution, that means we have 7 grams. So if we're given 200 grams of chlorinating solution, we would have how many grams of chlorine? Pure chlorine. If we had 200 grams of chlorinating solution, we'd have 14. So we could use this to do those conversions. Or we would write it like this: 100 grams of chlorinating solution for every 7 grams of pure chlorine. So for every 7 grams of pure chlorine, we need 100 grams of chlorinating solution. And so this converts it the other way. We're going grams of chlorine to grams of chlorinating solution. And so go through the rest of the question and see what other types of information you can get from there, and then try to solve it. And that is, the next thing, an ideal level. Well, let's start from the beginning. A solution used to chlorinate a home swimming pool contains 7% chlorine by mass. Okay, so we stop there and then try to figure out what information is given in that sentence. Then we move on to the next sentence. Ideal chlorine level for the pool is 1 part per million. So we do the same thing for that sentence. And they give us a hint about what 1 ppm means. If you assume densities of 1.10 grams per milliliter for the chlorine solution and 1.00 grams per milliliter for the swimming pool water, what volume of chlorine solution in liters is required to produce a chlorine level of 1 ppm in an 18,000 gallon swimming pool? So go through the rest of the problem and see what kind of conversion factors we can get from that. Okay,